A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd just like to share with you how to make this tiny little granny square, and it's for beginners. It's a very simple, easy pattern and doesn't involve a magic ring. And what we're going to be doing is just making a 3 chain and then joining that 3 chain into a circle and then working 1, 2, 3 rounds, forming the corners of the square. It's a great little granny square if you're just starting out with crochet, and it measures approximately 2.5 inches or 6 centimeter, about 2.5 inches and 6 centimeter. And so I'll just tell you what you will need for this project. I'm just using a 5mm or H crochet hook and some worsted yarn or 8-ply yarn, and the little square doesn't use up a lot of yarn, so you can use scrap yarn or little oddments that are left over from a ball to make it, and just a tapestry needle to sew in your ends. And we're just going to be needing 4 stitch markers because we're going to be marking the center of the corner just to make it easier. And if you want a tape measure to measure your little square. So I'm just going to be leaving a length of thread, and I'm going to make my slip knot. And I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 chain. This is the first chain from the hook, second chain from the hook, third chain from the hook, and I'm just going to join it into a ring by making a slip stitch into the third chain from the hook. And we have our little ring, and we will be working the first round into that ring. So I'm just going to make 1, 2 chain, and these 2 chain don't count as a stitch, and into the ring I'm going to be working 12 double crochet. So 1, 2, and you can just, this thread that we left, you can just hold it up against the little ring and just work it in with your double crochet. So we have 1, 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So I'm just going to, before I close the round, I'm just going to count my stitches. So this 2 chain doesn't count as a stitch. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And to close the round, we just miss the 2 chain and slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made. So that's the first round of the square. We're now going to shape the corners of the square. So I'm going to be starting off with the first corner, I'm going to chain 1, doesn't count as a stitch, and into the same place where I made the slip stitch to join the first round, and at the base of the 1 chain I'm going to work 5 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we have made our first corner. To make things easier for the next round, we're just going to mark the center single crochet with the stitch marker. So 1, 2, and the third single crochet is the center, and then we have our 1, 2 there. So for the first side, we're just going to work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2. And we're now going to make the second corner. So into the next stitch, so we've got our side, which is 1, 2 single crochet. Into the next stitch, we're going to work 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is our first corner, our first side, 1, 2, and then this is our second corner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to mark the center of that corner. So 1, 2, and the third single crochet is the center of the corner. For the second side, we just work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. Come to our third side, we're going to work our third corner, and we just work the same as we have done here. So we have our 1, 2 for the second side. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we're going to mark the center of the corner. So this is the second side, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, and the third single crochet of the corner is the center, and we've marked that. For the third side, we just single crochet 1 into each of the next 2 stitches. So 1, 2, and we're going to make our fourth corner. So we work our 5 single crochet into the next stitch, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and we're going to mark the middle stitch, which is the third single crochet. So we have our 1, 2, 3, 4 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides, and for the fourth side we just work 1 single crochet into each of the next 2 stitches. We're going to join the round. We missed the first the 1 chain that we did at the beginning of the round, and just slip stitch into the first single crochet, and that's how your little square starting to shape up. For the next round, I'm just going to chain 1, and at the in the same stitch where I did the slip stitch to join the round in the base of the one chain, I'm going to work one single crochet. That one chain doesn't count as a stitch. I'm going to work a single crochet into the next stitch, and we come to the center of the corner of the previous round, the marked stitch. We're going to work 3 single crochet into that stitch to form the corner. So 1, 2 and 3. So for the side, we're going to work 1 single crochet until we get to the marked stitch. So it's 1 single crochet into each stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that's your first side. We've come to the second corner, the marked stitch. We're going to work 3 single crochet in there. So 1, 2 and 3. So we have our second corner. Now work the second side. We work our single crochet to the marked stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're at the marked stitch, and we just work our 3 single crochet into that stitch to form the corner. So 1, 2 and 3. And then we just repeat. Just work 1 single crochet to the marked stitch for the third side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We come to the marked stitch. We work our 3 single crochet into that stitch for the fourth corner. 1, 2, 3. So we're coming to the fourth side, and this is our corner here. And these are the 2 stitches that we worked at the beginning of the round. So we have 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5, 6 for the last side. So 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and that's our first corner there. So I'm just going to close the round by missing this first 1 chain. It doesn't count as a stitch, and then just slip stitch into the first single crochet. So that's your little square. If you want to make the square bigger, all you need to do is repeat round 3, and to make things easier, you just mark the middle stitch of the 3 single crochet with a stitch marker, and then just work 3 single crochet into that marked stitch. And you can make it as big as you want, but I thought it would be nice for someone who's just starting out with crochet to make their first little granny square. I hope this tutorial has been useful and helpful to you. If you wish again, it would be nice to hear from you. If you could leave a comment below or ask any questions, that would be lovely. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.